In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then choose this plus icon and adjust your alarm however you want to in this pop-up. First of all, set up an hour. Then click on Once, Weekdays or Custom. If you decided to select Custom, pick days of the week manually and tap on Save. Now you need to scroll down within this pop-up to manage all of those options. The simplest one is Vibrate when ringing. To turn off or on vibration, just manage this switcher. To label your alarm, tap on Label, type in whatever you wish, and choose OK. Now select Alarm Tone. And over here you can either click on one of those options and tap on Apply at the bottom right corner, like that. Or scroll all the way down to choose All ringtones. This way you can tap on Music to pick any song from your tablet by clicking on it, or tap on Alarm Tone and pick one of those. Wherever you decided, when you're done, hit OK at the bottom right corner. Go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. And last but not least, tap on Snooze. Now you can switch it on or off thanks to this switcher, and if you decided to enable it, select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back and save your new alarm thanks to this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To edit it, click on it, make any changes and click on the check mark. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick the best option for you from the pop-up. To turn it back on, use the same now gray switcher. If you want to delete any of your alarms, hold the chosen one and use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!